At Whitehouse Products, we work hard to make it as easy as possible for customers to do business with us. For our EU trade customers, we do this by shipping on a DDP, delivered duty paid, basis. We clear the goods into the EU in Belgium or Germany, so the invoice that our customers receive from us will have either a German or Belgian VAT number on it, and should be treated as an EU acquisition for VAT purposes. We deliver to anywhere within the EU within 1 to 2 days, and any stock items ordered by 10 a.m. will be dispatched the same day. The price that EU customers receive will have no unpredictable extras, no clearance charges, no import tariffs, no upfront VAT. We take care of them all at the price they are quoted on our website or by our sales staff.